Hey y'all, this is Biddy. We got a package sent to us by the company Vont. It's a solar flagpole light. It's got 26 bulbs and it's supposed to be ultra bright LED. So we're gonna see. Let's open this thing up, see what we got. Sorry about the deal shaking. See if I can get it out of the package. Oh my goodness, it's stuck. Stinking on it? No how. Here we go. Maybe. Quit, don't want to come out of the box, y'all. Ah, here it is. It's packaged nicely. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cell. Has the Vont logo. It's got plastic over the cells, so we'll take the plastic off of each cell. I don't know if it's charged or not. Kind of doubt it. It could be. There we go. Let's see if it has anything on the back. That's the batteries that goes to it for recharging. There's your lights. It's got 26 LED lights. This side will go up, of course, because it's got to collect the sun. So y'all will go mount this on the flagpole. Alright, what you want to do before you put it on your pole, there's a button here that says on and off. You push that button, that'll activate it for being on. It's very easy to install. Unscrew your finial. Yes, Bear. We got all the critters helping us out today. Yes, s'more, I see you, buddy. That's fingers. S'more, that's fingers. S'more. Quit. Alright, you take your finial. Don't eat the flag. Hope that's going to be enough room. And you screw your finial back down. Like I said, I hope that's enough room. I don't know, I may have to take that finial off. That ain't very good. Need a longer finial. Okay, we've got our finial off. I had to take the collar off the finial because it was making the shaft too short to go into the flag with the light on, the flagpole. So you take and put your finial on your light. Take and screw your light into your, now the whole blame thing's gonna fall apart. Poop. There we go. I have to put my ball back together when I get this on there. Right. Yeah, I can't keep my ball together. Okay, now there she goes. Screw it on there till it's tight. There we go. Now I got to put my Jeep knockoff flag on there because my good one tore up. And I don't want it to touch the ground. And this is supposed to be a telescoping pole, y'all. Hubby tightened it, and I can't untighten it. So, crap. Where's my hole? Shit, Kate, where's my hole? Couldn't have carried that sucker too far. Oh, it's right there in front of me. Duh. Thank God I can hit it. Alright, there's what it looks like during the day. We'll come back tonight when the sun goes down and the light's on. We'll see how well it lights the flag up. Okay, y'all, this is it lit up at night. I wish the wind was blowing so the flag wouldn't be just laying against the pole. As you can tell, that's pretty bright. And you can tell there's a flag there. I think it would be shining more where you could really see the flag more if the wind was blowing. Sorry, I keep getting out of range. Try that. But also the light has a little bit of competition tonight because of the moon. We have a full moon tonight. Let's see if I can. Isn't that pretty? But yeah, y'all. I'm very proud of the way that light is. Vont, you did an excellent job. If y'all would like to get you a flagpole light, I do recommend Vont. A link for Vont products in the description. Y'all please check them out. I do not get any commission. I am not affiliated with Amazon in any way. So, with that being said, remember y'all, the world's a better place because y'all are in it. Don't ever forget it. I love y'all, each and every one. Y'all take care. Bye.